Well, I'm down here in the crew area of the yacht that I'm the captain of. I've been on board this particular yacht for 11 months, almost 12 months now. And you can see that down here in the crew area, we've got the walls covered in cardboard, the floor covered in ram board, and this is the stairway up to the swim deck. The reason this whole area is covered up is because next week in the engine room up there, we have to replace an engine on a generator. About a month ago, a little over a month ago, we were in the Keys, pulling into Stock Island near Key West, and our starboard generator started dumping copious amounts of white smoke. Although we got to it rather quickly, what happened is there's water in the generator. Although I changed the oil 4 times after that, trying to flush it all out, the damage had been done. This water pump here, which is a Sherwood, failed and water got into the engine, and the number 1 and 4 cylinders are having a lot of trouble. The valve train rusted up quickly, even though we changed the oil after that, but it's done. So after some haggling and negotiation, Onan Cummins has decided to give us a new engine, not a whole new generator, but a new engine to fix our current problem here under warranty. That's good. The trouble is that getting in this generator is going to be easier said than done. This is the entrance to the engine room. Got some ram board and extra cardboard here that we've been working with to help get everything protected. And just walking through these C32s here, with the air filters, I can't even walk through without turning sideways a little bit. Over here to the starboard side, this is the generator that has given us the problem. About 860 hours on this, a little over 2 years old. It's a MD KDS, an Onan 29 kilowatt 4-cylinder. And you can see back over here, this C32 engine, the starboard engine, there is maybe about a foot clearance in between the air filter, which the air filter can come off, that's not that big a deal, but it's still pretty narrow. So all of these systems above also have to come out, the waste treatment system and the water maker. Those systems are going to have to come out, that shelf's going to have to come off, and then probably going to have the generator, the engine come up and over, and then out the back. Hopefully it's not too loud in here with that air conditioning compressor over there. You know, this generator engine is dead, and it's curious as the water pump that failed on the starboard one, because last summer when we were up north, the port generator started to overheat, and on further inspection, the water pump on the port generator had failed as well. The bearings failed because one of the seals leaked, and the shaft actually snapped, and then so there was no water flow going to it. So I think Onan may have a problem with this design on this engine. Not exactly sure, but we're ready to begin the process of removing this generator next week. It's Friday night now. We're going to get started, I think, on Sunday or Monday. And hopefully on Tuesday, the actual guys from Cummins are going to be here to remove the engine. This is probably going to be a multi-part video, and hopefully someone finds it entertaining or enlightening. And I'll try and answer questions or things like that if you guys post any. And I'm Captain Jeff.